Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a fun confetti cake bar soap that I made last summer. Hey soapers, so today I'm making my own version of confetti cake bar soap. Now, to mimic the look of actual confetti cake, I'm going to be using what looks like old coleslaw, but is actually the soap shavings from past soap projects. Also added to recipe is titanium dioxide to give the soap that white party cake look. For this project, I'm using a combination of 3 citrus fragrance oils, but you can really use whatever fragrance you desire. You know the drill. On this channel, we are safety first. So to make sure you're always soaping safely, the Brambleberry Lye Safety Guide link is included in the description. I also use soapcalc.net to ensure all recipes are formulated properly. Link to website is also included in the description. Let's get soaping. Now, as an added caution, if you're going to give this recipe a try and you have little ones at home, they might actually think this one is cake, so be careful. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for supporting. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye soapers.